Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Binance and Delta Exchange. Both Binance and Delta Exchange cater to crypto traders, but they serve different purposes. Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, offering a wide range of services including spot trading, futures, staking, DeFi, and NFTs. Binance also offers passive income opportunities alongside advanced trading tools like perpetual contract and option trading with up to 125 times leverage. However, a major con is its regulatory challenges in multiple countries, leading to restrictions or bans in some regions. Delta Exchange is a derivatives-focused cryptocurrency trading platform specializing in futures, options, perpetual swaps with up to 100 times leverage. The platform offers customizable option trading, structured products, and interest-earning investment strategies. However, a major con is its lack of spot trading, meaning users cannot directly buy or sell cryptocurrencies without engaging in derivatives trading. In my opinion, Binance is better for all-in-one trading while Delta Exchange suits pro-derivative traders. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.